The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello children, how are you all? Are you all happy? Welcome to English virtual class. Today we are going to identify describing words and also how to use them in our sentences. Let me show you some sentences. Mr. John delivers hot meals to homes and offices in his big blue van. There are white boxes. There are colorful straws. There are white spoons and forks. Mr. John puts everything into his huge delivery bag. Now we will identify and underline the nouns in given sentences. Now we have to identify and underline the nouns in the given sentences. Mr. John delivers hot meals to homes and offices in his big blue van. There are white boxes. So Mr. John van is a noun and boxes is a noun. There are white spoons and forks. Mr. John puts everything into his huge delivery bag. Spoons and forks is a noun. Mr. John and bag is a noun. Children, now look at the sentences. The words that give some information about the underlined nouns. For example, let's see. In this given sentence, the nouns are Mr. John and van. Mr. John delivers hot meals. Here, hot is a describing word used for meals. Hot meals. Big blue van. Here, big blue is a describing word used for van. Big blue van. What type of meals it is? Hot meals. What type of van it is? Big blue van. So children, the words that give more information about the nouns are called adjectives. The words that give more information about the nouns are called adjectives. Adjectives tells us more about nouns. Adjectives tells us how the noun is. For example, big box. Here, box is the noun and big is the adjective. It tells us how the box is. Adjectives are describing words. They tell us more about person, place, animal, thing. For example, words used for numbers, colors, size and shape are adjectives. chocolates. Big car. Round table. Yellow butterfly. Here, two chocolates. 2 tells about the number of the chocolates. Yellow butterfly. Yellow tells us about the color of the butterfly. Big car. Here, big tells us about the size of the car. Round table. Here, round tells us about the shape of the table. Words used for numbers, colors, size and shape are adjectives. Students, take your book Little Thinker. Open page number 37. Activity 8.6. What is the activity mentioned there? We will read. Activity 8.6. What is the activity mentioned here? Look at the picture and identify the noun. Fill in the blanks to describe the noun. Use the following adjectives of size in your description: tiny, small, large, huge. This is an dash. It is dash and dash in color. This is an ant. It is tiny and red in color. This is a dash. It is dash and dash in color. This is a frog. It is small and green in color. This is an dash. It is dash and dash in color. This is an elephant. It is large and black in color. This is a dash. It is dash and dash in color. This is a lion. It is huge and brown in color. That's all for today. I will meet you in the next virtual class. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Always wash your hands and always keep sanitizer with you. Bye.